Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter, chapter number 6, numbers from 21 to 50 from the book Maths 1. Numerals and number names from 21 to 50. Okay, so these are the numerals and these are the place values and these are the number names. Okay, so 21 means 2 ones plus 1 ones, 20 plus 1, which makes it 21. Okay, then 22, 2 tens plus 2 ones, 20 plus 2, which makes it 22. Then 23, 2 tens plus 3 ones, 20 plus 3, 23. 24, 2 tens plus 4 ones, 20 plus 4, 24. 25, 2 tens plus 5 ones, 20 plus 5, 25. 26, 2 tens plus 6 ones, 20 plus 6, 26. 27, 2 tens plus 7 ones, 20 plus 7, 27. 28, 2 tens plus 8 ones, 20 plus 8, 28. 29, 2 tens plus 9 ones, 20 plus 9, 29. 30, 3 tens, 30, 30. Then 31, 3 tens plus 1 ones, 30 plus 1, 31. 32, 3 tens plus 2 ones, 30 plus 2, 32. 33, 3 tens plus 3 ones, 30 plus 3, 33. 34, 3 tens plus 4 ones, 30 plus 4, 34. 35, 3 tens plus 5 ones, 30 plus 5, 35. 36, 3 tens plus 6 ones, 30 plus 6, 36. 37, 3 tens plus 7 ones, 30 plus 7, 37. 38, 3 tens plus 8 ones, 30 plus 8, 38. 39, 3 tens plus 9 ones, 30 plus 9, 39. 40, 4 tens, 40, 40. 41, 4 tens plus 1 ones, 40 plus 1, 41. 42, 4 tens plus 2 ones, 40 plus 2, 42. 43, 4 tens plus 3 ones, 40 plus 3, 43. 44, 4 tens plus 4 ones, 40 plus 4, 44. 45, 4 tens plus 5 ones, 40 plus 5, 45. 46, 4 tens plus 6 ones, 40 plus 6, 46. 47, 4 tens plus 7 ones, 40 plus 7, 47. 48, 4 tens plus 8 ones, 40 plus 8, 48. 49, 4 tens plus 9 ones, 40 plus 9, 49. 50, 5 tens, 50, 50. Now we have exercise 6A. A, count and write how many one has been done for you. So we have to count them and write the answer. One is already given. There are flowers. How many flowers? 10 flowers written here. Then plus means add. Then again we have some flowers. How many? Which is written here? 9. Which is equal to 19 flowers. Okay. Then B. We have pencils. We will count how many pencils are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 pencils are there. Plus means and. Then we'll count here also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pencils are there, which is equal to 30. 2 tens plus 1 tens makes it 3 tens, means 30. Okay? Then see, we have apples. We'll count. How many apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And means plus. We have some more apples. We will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, which is equal to 3 tens plus 8 ones. The answer is 38. Then D, we have balls here. Now we'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And means plus. Now there are also some balls. We will count how many balls are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now 20. 2 tens and 2 tens make it 4 tens, means 40. Then we have E. We have eggs here. We will count how many eggs are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. And means we have 2 plus. Then we have some more eggs. We will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Now 4 tens and 1 tens. Make it 5 tens, which means the answer is 50. Then we write the number represented on the abacus. One has been done for you. तो हमें represent करना है numbers को abacus पर. Okay, one is already given. A, we have ones here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why we have written 5. And under tens we have 1, 2, 2 beats. That's why the whole number is 25. Okay. Then we'll do the B part. On ones we have 1, 2, 3. 3 beats. So we'll write 3. Then here 1, 2, 3. Under tens again we have 3 beats. The number is 33. Then see, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 beats. And here we have 1, 2. 2 beats. The number is 27. Then D. Under ones we have 1, 2, 3. 3 beats. And under tens we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beats. So the whole number is 43. Then E. Ones. We have no beat. So we'll write 0. Then under tens beat we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the whole number is 50. Then F. Under ones we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And under tens we have 1, 2, 3. 3 beats. The whole number is 36. Ascending and descending order. We have already learnt about ascending and descending order of numbers up to 20. Let us now see the ascending and descending order of number up to 50. अभी जो हमने ascending और descending order देखा वो हमने up to 20 तक देखा था. अब हम ascending और descending order के बारे में up till 50 तक पढ़ेंगे. Okay? Example, arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Okay, ascending means smallest to largest number. Okay, we have 34, 28, 35, 24, 22. Now the ascending order is 22, then 24, 28, 34 and 35. So 22 is the smallest one and 35 is the largest one. Okay. Then arrange the following numbers in descending order. Again we have numbers 34, 28, 35, 24, 22. Now in descending order we arrange the numbers from largest to the smallest. Descending order 35, 34, 28, 24, 22. Now 35 is the largest one and 22 is the smallest one. Okay. So this is how we arrange the numbers in ascending order. We arrange these numbers in increasing order, and in descending order we arrange these numbers in decreasing order. Okay. Then comparison of numbers. We have already compared numbers up to 20. Let us now compare numbers up to 50. हमने कंपैरिजन किया है नंबर्स का up till 20. अब हम सीखेंगे 50 तक. Okay. Examples, compare the numbers and put a greater than, smaller than or equal to sign in the boxes. Okay, we have 34 and 38. Now 34 is smaller than 38, that's why we have smaller than sign. Okay, then we have 24 and 45. 24 is smaller than 45, that's why again there is smaller than sign. Then 21, 21. Both are the same numbers, which means they are equal. That's why we have equal to sign. Then 40 and 24. 40 is the greater one, so we have greater than sign. Then 38, 36. Again 38 is the greater number, so again we have greater than sign. Then we have 32, 45. 32 is smaller than 45, that's why we have smaller than sign. Then 50 and 50. Both are equal or same number. That's why we have equal to sign. Then 24, 90. 24 is greater than 90. That's why we have greater than sign. And in the end 22 and 42. 22 is smaller than 42. That's why we have smaller than sign. Okay. Then exercise 6B. A, fill in the missing numbers. Now we have to fill the missing numbers. We have given 21. Then 22. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 is given, then 28, 29, then 30. Then we have 31, 32, 33, then 34, after that 35, then 36, then 37, then we have 38, then 39, then we have 40 given. Okay. After 40 we have 41, 42, 43, 44, then we have given 45, then 46, 47, then 48, 49, then 50. Then here we have 10, after that 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, then we have given 17, then 18, then 19. Then B, write the numbers in expanded form. One has been done for you. तो जो numbers हैं उनको हमें expanded form में लिखना है. We have 3 columns, number, tens and ones, expanded form. Okay, 1 is already done. which is 22, 2 tens and 2 ones, which means 20 plus 2. This is called the expanded form. Okay. Now 34 means 3 tens and 4 ones. And the expanded form is 30 plus 4. Then 38 means 3 tens and 8 ones. And the expanded form is 30 plus 8. Then 45, 4 tens and 5 ones. And expanded form is 40 plus 5. "47 means 4 tens and 7 ones. The expanded form is 40 plus 7. Then 50 means 5 tens, no ones. And the expanded form is 50, the same, okay? Then 28 means 2 tens plus 8 ones. And the expanded form is 20 plus 8. Then we have C, match the number with its name. Okay, we have to match these numerals with its number name. Okay. A, 22. Now, fourth one is 22. Okay. Then B, 35. Fifth one is 35. Then C, 38. Now, seventh one is 38. Then D, 44. Sixth one is 44. Then E, 46. Eighth one is 46. Then F, 50. Third one is 50. Then G, 32. Second one is 32. Then H, 27. First one is 27. D, write the numeral. Now we have to write the numerals. Okay. We have given the number name. A, 39 means 3 tens, 9 ones. 3, 9, 39. Okay. Then B, 25 means 2, 5, 25. Okay. Then C, 43. Now 4, 3, 43. D, 21. 2, 1, 21. Then E, 37. 3, 7, 37. Then F, 48. 4, 8, 48. Then E, write the number names. Now we have to write the number names. We have given the numerals. A, 34. Now we'll write 34. Okay. Then B, 38. Now I will write 38. Then C, 24. Now I will write 24. Then D, 42. E, 47. Then F, 46. Then F, write the number represented on the abacus. Now we have to write the number. Okay. A, under ones we have 1, 2, 3, 3 beads. And under tens we have 1, 2, 3. 3 beads. The number is 33. Then B part. Under ones we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 beads. And under tens we have 1, 2, 2 beads. The number is 25. Then C, under ones we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 beads. And under tens we have 1 bead. The number is 19. Then D, under ones we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And under tens we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beads. The number is 49. Then E, under ones we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And under tens we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beads. The number is 45. G, write the number that comes. So we have to write the number, okay, just after. So we have, in these column, we have to write the number which come after from these numbers, okay. 42, then 43. 38, 39. 24, 25. 28, then 29. 35, then 36. Then we have in between, we have to write the number which comes between 23 and 25. Okay. Now 23, 25, 24. Okay. Then 28, 29 and 30. Okay. Then 32, 33, 34. Then 46, 47, 48. Then 48, 49, 50. Then we have just before, we have to write the numbers which come before these numbers. Okay. Before 19, we have 18. Then before 25, we have 24. Then before 36, we have 35. Before 45, we have 44. And before 38, we have 37. Then H, arrange the following in ascending order. Okay. Means smallest to largest number. Okay. A, 24, 28, 35, 36, 42. Now the smallest one is 24. Then 28. Then 35. Then 36. And the largest one is 42. Then B, 38, 24, 36, 37, 50. The smallest one is 24. Then 36, 37, 38. And the largest one is 50. Then C, 14, 18, 32, 22, 44. Now the smallest one is 14. Then 18, 22, 32. And the largest one is 44. Then D, 36, 42, 24, 23, 49. Now the smallest one is 23. Then 24. Then 36. 42. then 49. Then I arrange the following in descending order. Descending order means from largest to smallest. 8, 24, 36, 48, 50, 49. The largest one is 50. Then 49, 48, 36 and the smallest one is 24. Then B 12, 18, 36, 42, 48. Now the largest one is 48. Then 42, 36, 18 and the smallest one is 12. Then C 18, 20, 25, 36, 45. The largest one is 45. Then 36, 25, 20 and the smallest one is 18. Then D 42, 48, 36, 24, 20. The largest one is 48. Then 42. Then 36. Then 24 and the smallest one is 20. Then J, compare the following numbers and put a greater than, smaller than or equal to sign in the space provided. Now A 42 and 47. 42 is smaller than 47. So we'll put the smaller than sign. Then B 48, 42. Now 48 is greater than 42. So we'll put the greater than sign. Then C 36 and 50. 36 is smaller than 50. So we'll put the smaller than sign. Then D 24 and 28. 24 is smaller than 28. So we'll put the smaller than sign. Then we have E part 42 and 46. 42 is smaller than 46. So we'll put the smaller than sign. Then F 50 and 50, both number are same. It means they are equal, so we'll put the equal to sign. Then G 28 and 21, 28 is greater than 21, so we'll put the greater than sign. Then H 47 and 47, both are the same numbers. It means they are equal, so we'll put the equal to sign. Then we have objective skill, multiple choice questions, MCQs. Take the correct option. Now we have to choose the correct option from these. First, 3 tens and 7 ones is equal to dash. We have options A 36, B 37, C 47. The correct answer is 37. Then second, 48 is greater than dash. We have options A 46, B 49, C 50. The answer is 46. Then third, 35 is smaller than dash. We have options A 28, B 30, C 49. The answer is 49. Fourth, what comes between 48 and 50? We have options A 49, B 47, C 38. The answer is 49. Then art integration activity zone, aim to reinforce counting and comparison of numbers. तो इस एक्टिविटी को करने से हम काउंटिंग और कंपैरिजन करना सीखेंगे. ओके. रिक्वायर्ड मटेरियल बीड्स, बटन्स एंड बीन सीड्स. ये सारी चीजें हमें रिक्वायर्ड है. ओके. देन वी हैव द प्रोसीजर. फर्स्ट, गिव ईच स्टूडेंट सम बीड्स, बटन्स एंड बीन सीड्स. हर एक बच्चे को बीड्स लेने हैं, बटन्स लेने हैं और बीन सीड्स लेने हैं. ओके. देन second, ask them to sort out the items given to them into individual parts. फिर जो भी उन्हें ये सारे items दिए हैं, इनको individual part में उन्हें sort करना है, separate करना है individually. Okay. Then third, after sorting, ask each student to count the number of beads, buttons and bean seeds with him/her and record the count in their notebook. फिर सॉर्टिंग करने के बाद हर एक स्टूडेंट को जो भी वो बीड्स हैं, बीन सीड्स हैं, बटन्स हैं, उनको सेपरेटली काउंट करना है और उस चीज को अपनी नोटबुक में लिखना है. ओके. देन फोर्थ, नेक्स्ट, आस्क द स्टूडेंट्स टू कंपेयर द नंबर ऑफ बीड्स, बटन्स एंड bean seeds with that of their friends to find out who has got more beads, buttons and bean seeds. फिर उसके बाद स्टूडेंट्स को बोलना है कि वो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ कंपेयर करें उन बीन सीड्स को, बीड्स को और बटन्स को. फिर हमें पता लगाना है कि किसके पास ज्यादा बीड्स हैं, बटन्स है या बीन सीड्स है. ओके, सो यू कैन डू दिस एक्टिविटी विद योर classmates and friends at your class. Okay, so I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye bye.